Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, send me some nice comments. Like my videos. Most of all, share and subscribe to my page. Remember, you can't break what's already broken, so you might as well try to fix it anyways. And don't be the next to them, be the first to you. So today we're going to install a hitch on the rear of a Lexus RX 330. Pretty simple, straightforward. This is a Curtis hitch. I've also got the Curtis wiring harness I'm going to install. I'm probably not going to show you that install. Maybe I will in another video. Pretty simply, your nuts and bolts and your hardware are inside the tongue of this. Thankfully, the lovely Patricia Ray looked for me nuts and bolts and washers, and I didn't realize they were actually in the tongue. So they come with the kit, they're included. First thing we're going to do is we took off the toe strap, the toe hooks that went right here. They were 14mm bolts. And then there was a rubber bung that we had right here. The bolts are 10mm by 1.25. I'm going to tap the holes out because of, this vehicle's about 12 years old. So we want the bolts to fit in there securely and properly. So we're going to tap the holes out because they didn't have bolts in them before. If you want to ensure that your bolts are actually the same size there, just take your tap and you set it down there. You can take one of the bolts that you took out down to the hardware store and make sure that it's the right one. If you can't get it to work inside there, and ours would not screw up in there because it's just so gummy in there. And I want to run a tap in there to save myself trouble in the future in case I have to work on this car for this customer. Pretty simple on running the tap. You could use a ratchet and an extension. You don't have to have the T-bar like I have. Just run that up there. We're going to chase the threads out, make sure that all the rust gets out of there, and make sure our bolts go up in there well. And that's why we're doing this. Chased out, make sure our bolts go up in there nice and gently like they're supposed to. And they do. That's what we want. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and hoist up the hitch, and we're going to put it up in there. You're going to want an assistant to help you. Maybe you can hold one side and start the bolts and then run over to the other side and help the assistant start the bolts depending on their level of how much help, how many times they put one of these in. I'm just going to recommend that you put like one bolt here and the other bolt here before you move over the other side. Do not let the other person drop it down because it will bend out this, and then it won't fit square. If you ordered the right part and the exact fit bumper hitch, it'll fit properly. And after you tighten up your 6 17mm bolts, I'd recommend leaving them loose so you can shift this back and forth in case your bolts won't fit in there, and look underneath, make sure your holes are completely open. I had a hard time starting mine on the end because I needed to pull this. And if you're putting this on a 2005 RX 330, this is the Curtis part number that I ordered, and it's very durable. Looks really nice. Looks like it'll last quite a long time. So hopefully the video was helpful. Like it. Most of all, share it and subscribe it. Remember, don't be the next to them, be the first to you. And if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. Have a great day.